Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making this really cool fall wreath together. And I know that it's just about time to put away the fall decorations, but it is also a really great time to do a project like this because all of the supplies will be heavily discounted. Like, I only spent $25 to make this, and I'll be able to have it up for a couple more weeks and also all of next fall and all the falls after that. Anyway, really quickly before we get started, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That would be super awesome and I'd be really grateful. And if you're feeling extra nice, please go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so for this project, you'll need some artificial flowers, a hot glue gun, some wire cutters, and a grapevine wreath. And the first thing you're going to do is cut up your floral stems using your wire cutters. And I did this before filming off camera because it is not particularly exciting. And now it's time for the fun part, which is laying out and assembling your wreath. So obviously there is no right or wrong way to do this. You're just going to put everything together in whatever way you find aesthetically pleasing. What I will say though is I think the best way to actually assemble your wreath is to take your floral stems and put a lot of hot glue on the ends of them and then physically stick them inside of the wreath. By gluing the pieces to the inside of the wreath, I feel like that makes things extra secure. And of course, add glue under any pieces that you feel like need extra hold. And yeah, I guess now I'll give you guys my personal tips and tricks for putting together wreaths like this. So I like to group my florals into sections, and in each section I like to have a very voluminous and busy kind of center that tapers out in terms of volume and busyness as you move outwards. So like all of the pieces that are bigger and fluffier and stick out towards you, I like to keep those near the center. And then all the wider, flatter pieces, I like to keep those near the outside. Now in figuring out what I want the section to look like, I like to work from the inside out because I feel like that just makes it really easy because you have like a central focal point to build off of. But then when I actually go to like glue the pieces into the wreath, I like to work from the outside in because I feel like that makes layering everything the easiest, especially if you have a lot of pieces to glue in. In terms of the number of floral sections that I like to have in a wreath, that number varies. But when I do two, like I did in this one, I like one to be bigger and the other one to be smaller. And I like them to be positioned at a diagonal from each other. And the last tip / trick I have to share with you guys should have actually probably been the first one, now that I think about this. But anyway, it is to have a theme or a color scheme in mind before going out to buy your materials because it is super easy to become very distracted and overwhelmed in the craft store. And yeah, that now brings us to the end of the video, and here is the finished wreath. I just think this is so pretty and I love it so much. I really like those hanging pieces towards the like side bottom area. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!